Metaphysics begins with physical objects in the world. When we look at physical objects, we notice that they have certain characteristics. And when we look at this shoe right here, we notice that it is an individually existing thing or a substance. If we look at it further, we notice that it is red. So we notice that it has the quality of being red. Now, if we abstract from this physical object right here, the words that we just used, and we focus on those words apart from the physical object, we will be doing metaphysics. So if we abstract the word substance and we abstract the word quality and we just talk about the being of substance and we talk about the being of quality and we start talking about how substances have quality and about how substances have quantity and about how substances are active or passive. This is metaphysics. We are talking about being as being. The original being was the primary substance, the actual individual existing thing that you see right here, the shoe. We recognize that it is a substance, its being is a substance, and we recognize that it has a quality, that another level of being of this particular substance is one of quality. Now, we are not going to talk about the shoe anymore. We are going to talk about those two levels of being, the level of being of substance and the level of being of quality. That is metaphysics, where you are talking about being as being. Now, when you start to make conclusions based off of these abstract ideas, these abstract notions of being, that's first philosophy, because you are drawing the ultimate conclusions about reality. It's important to keep in mind, however, that metaphysics always begins with physical reality, and then conclusions are drawn about the immaterial reality. When we use these terms, substance, quality, actuality, potentiality, and we draw conclusions about divine matters, that science is called natural theology. But metaphysics isn't always natural theology, but natural theology is always metaphysical. Because when you are doing natural theology, for instance, Thomas Aquinas gives a proof for the existence of God, and he's using these terms from metaphysics, but he's drawing a conclusion about a divine reality.